is it, I hear you cry? Well, it's a slip-on exhaust that has a speaker inside it that's louder than your engine. It's pretty much that simple. All technically put together with a Bluetooth system that wires up to your bike to follow the bike's revs, gear changes, so that seamlessly as you rev, it revs. It's completely waterproof, dustproof, mudproof. The first one I want to show you is this Aprilia RS4 50cc. We'll stick with these 50cc racing bikes and 50cc cross super motard bikes. So guys, it's time to help out if you feel the same way that we do about this product. If you think this is the next evolution of exhausts, then please come, support us, back us, and even pre-order some exhausts. I look forward to seeing you and speaking to you in the future, and thank you so much for your time.